Hi, today I want to talk about probiotics and prebiotics. Most of us already know about probiotics, bifidobacteria, lactobacilli, all these friendly bacteria that we get from fermented foods like from yogurt, from kefir, from kombucha, from sauerkraut, and some even get them from the pharmacy, from the drugstore. But anyways, what I want to talk about, because we all know probiotics, these friendly bacteria in our intestines that helps us be healthy in different ways, that fights against germs and fungi and different bacteria that grows that we don't want to have in our guts. So thing is that probiotics, when we consume them as food, unfortunately, and this is something most people don't know, we digest them like any other food. So just consuming probiotics, eating them, they never get to the intestines. They get digested. Most of them get digested in your stomach. So your probiotic count doesn't increase. It just stays the same. Or so normally we have problems, we lose our probiotics because we take antibiotics, or because we are stressed, or we have a poor diet, and all these cause different imbalances. They cause imbalance in our intestines, in our digestive system, so it gets overgrown with yeast and bacteria. So that's why we need probiotics in our guts. But consuming probiotics is not the solution. What we need are prebiotics. Prebiotics is what feeds probiotics, what makes them grow. So prebiotics is actually the undigested, non-digestible food. So it's long chains of sugar, long carbs that we eat, and we don't digest them, so they get straight to our intestines, and then our natural probiotics feed on them. So these prebiotics, they could be whole grains, onions, garlic, artichokes, banana, especially yacon, this Peruvian root, great source of prebiotics. This is a medium chain of sugar that doesn't get digested, some kind of fiber that we don't digest and then feed these probiotics. This is something that makes our intestines alkaline, so it's healthy. So this is the little secrets, because probiotics are actually created by our intestines, but by ourselves. So we need to feed them with prebiotics, not just eat lots of probiotics. We're just gonna get rid of them. So now you know a little secret about probiotics and prebiotics. Have a great day, and let me know what you think about this.